in the ano sir na magkaroon ng decision ng Supreme Court tapos the decision will affect the impeachment proceeding dahil nga based dun sa kung mag-iba kayo ng presiding officer based on that 12 member na
Wala naman. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung trabaho, no? Wala namang in-issue na TRO.
Sir, good morning. Sir, may discussion na kayo, initial discussion with the minority. Kahapon, minanifest na nila kung sino yung minority leader
Yes.
nila. Nakausap na po ba kayo? Nag-text man lang ba sa inyo minority
may
leader?
mga nakausap ko yung mga pumunta kahapon, but in the next few days, will endeavor to talk to the different minority members. Like I said in the past, bukas naman yung ating pintuan, bukas yung ating tanggapan para makipag-usap. But I really appreciate yung mga minority members na nandoon yesterday. Give me a chance to talk to them, to also set the direction na mag-uumpisa na ng trabaho. And in fact, yesterday, naging very lively yung debate doon sa anti-hospital detention bill. No? So, ganun yung mga discussion na gusto natin in the next few weeks. And then I had also conversations with Senator Lauren Regarda regarding yung ibang mga priority measures niya. Ang maganda rin na-appoint na 3 minority members as chairman. No? Si Senator Bongo as chairman of the Sports and Youth Committee, si Senator Mark Villar, chairman ng very important Banking Committee, one of the most important committees in the Senate. And then si Senator Camille Villar was appointed also sa government corporations. Importante rin yan. As we all know, kailangan rin na yung mga government corporations accountable rin sa kanilang responsibilities. No?
Sir, dun sa issue ng quorum, ng conviction threshold, mas dumarami yung nagsasabi na baka dapat ibaba dahil hindi na nga 24 yung within the jurisdictional
Well, my
power.
opinion, it's malinaw ang constitution. No, 3/4 of all members. So that is 16. So in my opinion, we have to follow the constitution. No, and sorry, 2/3. Sorry, correction. 2/3 of all members. No, very clear ang constitution dyan.
Pero pag-uusapan nyo yan, sir. Is the Senate Impeachment Court open to probably a motion para ibaba ang threshold?
Well, I cannot predict kung anong mga I cannot predict kung ano yung mga issues na lalabas doon, but as far as I'm concerned, I will uphold what is written in the Constitution.
Sir, sorry, sa segue lang ako sa the Senate was under attack. Kahapon ng DOJ nag-press con, sabi po ni Secretary Vida, the Senate was not under attack. Kayo po, ano ang
I have to
tingin
read
niyo
the
doon?
final report. No? Ano ba yung context nung kanyang statement na yun? Alam ko very sensitive yung issue na yan, so I would read the final report. I'm not very sure kung yung statement na yan is out of a partial report or out of their discussion, but it's important for me na makita na yung final report. No? I've discussed this with members of the OSAHA. Nag-meeting na kami. Very sensitive topic yan sa kanila, no? Kasi sila directly involved. So I don't want to discuss anything beyond what is coming out of that official report, in fairness to OSAA, no, and in fairness to the people involved rin.
Sir, up to what extent will the Senate cooperate with DOJ, with NBI? Kasi sabi po ng DOJ, papapanagutin yung mga tumulong daw kay Senator De La Rosa to escape the Senate.
Ang pinaka-importante sa akin, dapat independent at impartial investigation. No? That's the most important. That's why sabi ko, kasama dapat sa investigation ang Senado. No? Kasi nga, dito nangyari at involve yung mga personnel ng Senado. But having said that, it has to be impartial. No? At kung merong mga personalities na nagkamali o personalities na merong direct involvement dito sa nangyari, then kailangan may accountability. No? So we will exact accountability as well. But having said that, no, I need to read the final report para alam natin yung personalities involved.
Sir,
Cooperating. Yes, we would
Sir-
be cooperating.
Pushing it further, sir, yung issue nung sa threshold. We understand, sir, na gusto nyo masunod yung sa Constitution. Pero, sir, kasi yung ngayon may issue ng warm bodies na available during the impeachment trial. So, are you in any way open to discussing, sir, na ibaba talaga yung threshold? Kasi, sorry, sir, pero may possibility pa kasi
We
may
cannot
ibang
preempt
maayos.
kung anong sasabihin ng prosecution. We cannot also preempt kung anong sasabihin ng ibang mga senators. I can only state my opinion, no, on the matter.
That even if lower yung number ng warm bodies, you will adhere to 2/3 of 24?
Ako, at least my opinion, no. I don't know with the others. Hindi ko pa sila nakakausap on that matter, no.
Sir, isa na lang. Sir, gaano kahalaga na makausap niyo sa Senator Alan Cayetano para sa inyong Senate presidency, knowing na siya yung pinalitan niyo at para sa mas united na
Well, ginawa ko kahapon, I reached out to all of the members, including the minority members on the floor. Kinausap ko si Senator Marcoleta, Senator Amy Marcos, Senator Lauren Legarda, Senator Pia. We had a very long discussion. Si Senator Bongo, yesterday, kausap ko rin siya. And that's why nga na-elect siya kaagad as chairman of the Youth and Sports Committee, no? Because yun naman yung kanyang advocacy. So, yan naman ang gusto natin, no? Makabalik sa trabaho. And even si Senator Joel yesterday, very clear naman yung kanyang direction is to go back to work. In fact, siya yung pinaka-productive yesterday on the floor, no? Sponsoring bills, sponsoring resolutions, and yan talaga ang trabaho namin, no? We have to go back to our normal programming.
You plan to reach out to Senator?
Yes, I plan to reach out to all, no, to all. I've talked to Senator Camille Villar yesterday. We talked also. Kaya rin na-appoint siya as chairman of the Government Corporations Committee, which is a very important committee dahil we're also looking at implementing the optimization bill and kasama doon ang GOCCs.
Do you see the need for a caucus, especially dahil malapit na
Yes, dadating rin tayo dyan. In fact, we will have an all-senator caucus before the impeachment.
Sen,
Sir, di pa nagko-congratulate sa inyo si Kamala. Okay?
Personally, wala pa, no. Wala pa naman, but yung mga ibang senators like si Senator Lauren, nag-usap kami kahapon at maganda naman usapan namin.
To that, sir?
Wag na natin lagyan.
Sen Win, may mga lilipat pa bang mga ibang senador papunta po sa majority? Sino-sino po kaya?
I cannot preempt rin kung ano yung kanilang magiging decision. But one thing for sure, sa mga nakausap ko, even in the minority, they want to go back to work, no? And si Senator Camille Villar, isa siya sa mga gusto nang to buckle down to work.
But sir, what do you make of the absence pa rin ng ilang minority senators kahapon sa session, sa special session?
Sorry, galing ako gym eh. Yeah, wow na wow. Hindi ako nakainom. Para mawala yung stress. Oo. What's the question again?
Yung absence sir nila kahapon.
Well, I don't want to put any meaning to that. Even before the special session, nanawagan tayo na dumalo yung ating mga kasamahan dahil marami tayong mga importanteng measures na pag-uusapan doon. I'm very happy yesterday na yung CA, no, na-approve yung 85